Hello everyone, welcome to Tips IT YouTube channel. Today I am talking about how to speed up our laptops. Let's go to the video. Okay, we are all using laptops to do our day-to-day works. In some cases, laptops may getting slowed down. Actually, laptops may getting slowed down various of reasons. Some of our virus attacks and actually hardware failures or Windows update crashes. These are some of reasons to get slow down the laptops. Okay, today I am going to show you how to speed up our laptop. Actually, we can do it easily, but some of them trying to speed up their laptops by installing some third-party softwares, or some of them trying to speed up their laptops or computer by using a softwares or by using a lot of hardware upgrades, actually RAM upgrades or a lot of things. Today I am going to show you how to speed up our laptop by upgrading our hard disk. Actually, hard disk means a SSD drive. In Google you can search SSD and you can get an idea. SSD means solid state drives. Actually, in SSDs, those are really faster than other previously released hard disk. Okay, you can get an idea about in here. In AliExpress websites, you can update your hard disk to SSD. It's easy. Actually, there are a lot of capacities of SSDs. As an example, I'll show you. In here you can see this SSD hard drive, solid state drive, and there are a lot of capacities: 256 GB, 512 GB and 1 TB. As you decide to get a 1 TB hard disk, that's also good. There's a lot of space to install softwares and copy your documents also. If you can't move to 1 TB hard drives, 256 GB also okay. We can install. Actually, our operating system is installing to this SSD hard disk. Okay, but the thing is, our new laptops, they are already having M2 slot or SSD card slot. In M2 slot also we can use a M2 drive. I'll show. We can search in this website M2. Yeah, M2 SATA drive. You can see like this. This is the M2 drive. Actually, this is like a RAM card slot. This one also a hard disk. We can install this hard disk SSD M2 drive to new laptops and it may get speed on also. Right. In other cases, our old laptops, there's no any SSD slot. In that case, we have to use a SSD caddy. We call that hard disk caddy, like this. Yeah, actually this is a hard disk caddy. I'll click here and you can see our SSD drive will plug in here, and we can install this caddy to our laptop by replacing our DVD-ROM. You can see we can remove our DVD-ROM and we can insert this SSD caddy in that place, and after that we can use a SSD replacing by the DVD-ROM. That one was a really good solution to upgrade our old hard disk to SSD hard drive. You can easily buy this one by using AliExpress website. I'll attach these all links to the description box and the comment box. Then you can easily buy this and move to SSD hard disk. Thanks for watching this video. You can get an idea about what is a SSD and how can we install this SSD hard disk to our old laptops, and we can speed up our laptop computer. Thanks for watching this video. Remember to subscribe the channel, Tips IT YouTube channel, and keep in touch with the next video.